Welcome back, Bears. I'm Daniel, one of the senior BTV anchors reporting from the BTV studio. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and once more, thanks to all the teachers for showing our BTV daily broadcasts. This is the place for all of our announcements. Teachers, just click on the YouTube link in the daily email and remember to use the form Mr. Hall sent out for your announcements. Send your requests ahead of time in order to allow the BTV crew to record in advance. This year, the PSAT exam is on October 9th, but you will need to register by September 11th. Late registration is available September 12th through the 18th, but will incur a $5 late fee. However, the test is free for juniors. Bears, congrats on following the new campus-wide cell phone policy. Remember to look for the stoplight when you walk into your classrooms. It indicates whether you will need your cell phones for class. Also, be sure to get to class on time. There's plenty of time, so avoid being tardy as teachers will have you use the tardy QR code. And remember to have your IDs on you. It's a safety district policy. If you need a new one, go to the library during lunch. If it's a replacement, it will cost you $5. Bears, if you have any technology issues, ask your teacher for the QR code, like this one, for a form to ask for assistance for our tech specialists. Now for yearbook information. Don't miss out in being in the yearbook. Stop in to take your photos in the LGI before school, during lunch, or after school. Photographers will be here today through Thursday. Order forms were handed out. If you have any further questions, please contact Christine Morales in the yearbook room, C110. Freshmen with 4th period lunch, remember that Connections takes place Monday through Thursday during the first 20 minutes of lunch. These began yesterday. Connections will last through the month of September. Make sure you attend every day to have a successful year. Also, make plans to attend next Wednesday's PTSA Open House Advanced Academic Night from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. If you ever wanted to make movies, Brennan Film Club is for you. Beginning next week, they will hold the first meeting on Wednesday, September 4th in E028, right here in the BTV room, from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Congrats to both our Varsity Bears and Varsity Lady Bears cross-country teams at the SAISD Meet Champions. Way to run Zach Miller and Kaylin Brunson, both earning first place. Their next meet is at Medina Valley this Saturday. Keep running for the finish line. This preseason, our Lady Bears volleyball tore it up on the court, and last week, they ended our preseason defeating 7 opponents and only losing to 2 other teams in the Granbury tournament. Come out today for our first district game against the Sotomayor at the Northside Sports Gym at 5:30 p.m. Let's tear district up, ladies. Finally, ready for some football? Put your game faces on for this season's first pep rally on Friday at 8 a.m. in the main gym. Later that night, our Bears take on the Reagan Rattlers at Ferris Stadium at 7 p.m. BFND Bears. Well, this is all we have for today, and don't forget to follow us on X at BTV Bears, and also look for us on Instagram. If you missed any part of this broadcast, catch us on YouTube by searching for BTV Bears. I'm Daniel, signing off from BTV. Have a great day, keep a positive mindset, and stay engaged in our learning. And continue to evolve every day.
This is a BTV production.